Hello, and welcome to Struct in Engineering. Today, we are going to talk about how generative AI is making robots smarter, more capable, and more ready for the mainstream. You might have heard of generative AI before, but do you know what it is and how it works? And do you know how it is transforming the field of robotics and the future of human society? Well, if you want to find out, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will explain what generative AI is, how it is making robots smarter, and show you some of the amazing examples and applications of generative AI in robotics. So, without further ado, let's get started. But first, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content from scratch, such as images, text, music, and even code. Generative AI models can learn from large amounts of data and generate novel outputs that are realistic, diverse, and sometimes surprising. Generative AI is not just about making cool art or entertainment. It also has many practical applications in various industries and domains. For example, generative AI can be used to create synthetic data for training other AI models, enhance data privacy and security, design new products and services, optimize processes and workflows, and generate insights and recommendations. One of the most exciting applications of generative AI is in the field of robotics. Robotics is the science and engineering of designing, building, and operating machines that can perform tasks that are difficult, dangerous, or impossible for humans. Robots can be used for exploration, manufacturing, agriculture, healthcare, education, entertainment, and more. However, building robots that can operate in complex and dynamic environments is not easy. Robots need to have many skills and abilities, such as perception, cognition, communication, manipulation, locomotion, navigation, planning, learning, and adaptation. Traditionally, these skills are programmed by human experts using predefined rules and algorithms. But this approach has many limitations. It is time-consuming, costly, inflexible, and prone to errors. This is where generative AI comes in. Generative AI can help robots learn from data and experience instead of relying on human instructions. Generative AI can also help robots generate new behaviors and solutions that are not predefined by humans. This way, robots can become smarter, more capable, and more ready for the mainstream. Let me give you some examples of how generative AI is making robots better. Generative AI can help robots learn how objects interact with each other through simulations rather than relying solely on pre-programmed instructions. This can enable robots to manipulate objects more skillfully and efficiently. Generative AI can help robots understand human language prompts to make model changes. This can simplify the development, deployment, and management of AI at the edge. Generative AI can help robots create realistic images of their surroundings. This can improve their perception and navigation abilities. Generative AI can help robots combine vision AI and natural language processing to provide a comprehensive understanding of the scene. This can enhance their communication and interaction skills. Generative AI can help robots design other robots from scratch. This can showcase the potential of a self-evolving robotic ecosystem. As you can see, generative AI is bringing the power of creativity and innovation to robotics. By using generative AI models and tools on the NVIDIA Jetson platform for edge AI and robotics, developers can build more advanced and versatile robots that can tackle real-world challenges. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about generative AI and robotics. Do you think they will change our lives for the better or worse? I would love to hear your opinions. Thank you for watching and see you next time.